Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a mixer that I got. It is the Famag mixer, the 8S. I ordered from Pleasant Hill Grain, and as you can see it comes in a pretty big box and definitely has a lot of packaging in it, which is nice because it definitely keeps it nice and tight in there from any damage. So let's go ahead and remove all this. You can see how much packaging they put in there. So you know it's definitely going to be coming safe in one piece and nothing broken. So let's go ahead, and again, here's the receipt. Again, it's a Famag IM-8S mixer, dark silver. Put those. And big box for a small item. So let me go ahead and get this taken. So here we are. We have it here. So let's go ahead, get this cut open. It says do not use blade. So let's go ahead and just get this cut. And again, packaged pretty nicely here. So let's go ahead, get all this tossed out again. So let me put this down on the ground and then we get it opened up. All right, so here is the mixer. Pretty heavy. And again, it has the tilt head. So I'm assuming this would just screw. The cage comes up, good stainless steel. And again, this would just fit. And this raises up. So this is again for good hydration. Spiral. Plug into your outlet. And here's instructions. And it looks like it also came with, let's see, the manual, which is in, okay, so English, looks like more cookbook. Comes with a apron, nice, very cool. And I guess an extra, not sure what that is. But yeah, here is the manual. Hopefully it is in English, which it is, so perfect. Nice. So I'll put the description down below of this mixer. This is the 8S with the tilt head. The bottom does come off, and yeah, in dark silver. And so I will be making some pizzas with this, so look forward to doing that and giving a full review of, again, you know, how it performs. Alright, so today is day 2 with the mixer, and I will be putting it to use. I'm going to be making a Polish, or 8 dough balls. I have my Polish here, which has been in the fridge for 17 hours or so. 672 grams of water, 1032 grams of 00 flour, and then I got 36 grams of salt. So this is my first time using this mixer, so let's see how well this thing goes through. So let's get the water in there first. Now that we have the water in there, then we'll go ahead and get the Polish in there. And so super fermented, smells really good. So we'll go ahead and just get this bad boy in here. And I'll put the recipe down below as well for you, but we'll go ahead and get this. And what we're going to want to do basically is just melt the Polish with the water. So let's get this in here. Put this to the side. And just go ahead and close that, and we'll leave it at 0 speed. It does go up to 10, but we won't go too far. So the on button here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get this melted up a little bit. You can see it is kind of working in there. Again, another good thing about this is if I pull it up, it does stop it. So it does have a nice kill switch there. And just give this a couple minutes to kind of get this melted down. And as you can see, even at 0, it is pretty quiet. If we do put it to 1, still pretty quiet there. So let's give it kind of 3. Alright. And so now that that is pretty melted down a little bit, kind of broken up, I'll go ahead and get this cut off. And again, the off button will be here, or again, if you lift that. And we're gonna go ahead and get this flour in here. I'm only gonna do a little bit at a time. So we'll do about that much for now. Get this closed and get that on. And we'll turn it up a little bit to 1. Kind of get that incorporated there. And you can see the bowl does spin, which is nice. This side here. And we'll go ahead and get the rest of the flour in. Let's go ahead and cut this off. And let's go ahead and toss that all in there. Right. And let's get this fully mixed now, and then we'll get the salt added. So let's turn it up a little bit. And I do have an infrared gun here to see, if it's getting hot, but again, it shouldn't get too hot. Should keep the dough pretty nice. We'll kind of get it up a little bit more here. Starting to look a little nice, coming together nicely. And again, this is a 70% hydration. This model can take up to, I believe, 80% or more. It is the high hydration, so. And only if you could smell it. It smells really good. And let's kind of get it turned up a little bit more. And I'll start getting the salt in now. And so I'm not too sure how long I'm going to mix this for, but we'll give it maybe 5 minutes or so until it's fully come together. Which looks like it's starting to, which is nice. Starting to pull away from the edges. So it's been about 1 minute of mixing. I'll kind of turn up a little bit more. See what the temperature is right now of the dough, about 68 degrees. And there we go. So you can see now it's kind of coming off the edges. And we want the bowl to be nice and clean. Nice and smooth. And the bottom's looking nice now. Some edges there that we might need to clean up a little bit, but been about 3 minutes now. 69. I'm starting to pull together a little bit. You can see the bottom now is getting clean. I may clean it up a little bit more. $69, $70. It's been about 4 minutes now. And again, one thing that I do like about this mixer is it is really quiet. It's not too loud. You can see everything's pulling together. And what's cool is I've read and I've seen videos of it kind of coming together and making it look like a pumpkin, so that's kind of what it's doing now. I want to try to get a little bit more of that. It's starting to look smoother. It's been about 5 minutes or so now. Go ahead and get this cut off. I'll scrape a little bit of this. See, it is pretty clean. Let's see, nice and soft. Let's give it a little window pane. Maybe a couple more minutes or so. Start it off slow. It's about 3. It's about 70 degrees, 71, 70. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut that off. Get a little window pane. So maybe not there yet. So right now it is at 4. We could go ahead and let's try to get it up to about 7. Hear all the air in there. That's sticky. go ahead and give that a rest. This was just a quick video of the new mixer that I got. Again, this is the Famag 8S high hydration mixer with the tilt head. I will do more videos in the future, from start to finish of making, dough and the final product and the pizza. But for now, just a quick little video. As you can see, I do have the bowl off, and it does have a locking mechanism to keep the bowl in there. But yeah, I'll put all my recipes and the description of the mixer below. And hope you will like and subscribe for more future videos of my pizzas. Thank you.